handled it. Belma, Imani Gazi, all the influential people in the world, bro, including Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, Jeff Bezos, and Warren Buffett, they are all getting attention from you, bro. You are just scrolling and watching them, bro. Guess what they're doing? They're getting attention from you, bro. And the way they're using to get attention from you, bro, is creating content, bro. They're promoting their business, bro. They're getting paid from brands, bro. They are doing anything as possible to earn money, bro. And you guess what you are doing? Watching them, bro. Scrolling, bro, watching them. So this is the only thing that you need to understand, guys. They're telling you that you need to be working this business, you need to doing this, but guess what they're doing? Creating content, bro. You also supposed to be creating content for you to get rich. In order for you to make your dreams come true, bro, in reality, you need to be making contents, bro. Start creating contents, bro. Start creating content. This is the only thing that will make you to make your dreams in reality, bro. So this is the only thing that you need to understand, bro. Start creating content and start earning money as soon as possible.